Thank you, everyone. Sorry for not being here this morning. I was just kind of fell ill during the night, so I couldn't make it. But thank you for allowing me to speak. I just wanted to say thank you to Millie, George Alec for reading my speech this morning. And I just want to acknowledge the three chiefs, Chief Maureen Luggie and Chief Wes Sam and Chief Wilf Adam for allowing us to conduct our business in your territory. I want to also acknowledge all the other chiefs and leadership from communities who are here. Actually, let me just introduce myself. I'm Priscilla Mueller, and I'm chief from Saik'uz First Nation. I'm also the president here at CSFS. And in the Batlat system, I do sit with the Grouse Clan. Earlier today, Chief Maureen gave a really good, clear description on our roles as leadership and some of the things that we go through in our communities. She made me cry just listening to her. And she also gave a really clear description of what our members are going through too, and how much they suffer and how much they're hurting. And it doesn't really matter what community we're from. I think we all face very similar issues and are really working hard to try to address those issues in a really good way. We're bringing back a lot of cultural practices, and that, for myself, I really do see that it's really helping to bring our people together. I want to say that your voice does matter to us, and if you feel like you're not getting the services that your community needs or you as an individual, I just encourage you to reach out to our staff. I don't know in 2019 if some of you know, but Saik'uz was going to pull away from CSFS. And I felt back in the time there was really a big, huge communication gap between our community and CSFS. And so we started the process of sitting down with CSFS. We had First Nations Health Authority to kind of assist us in the process. And we went out to community, we had community engagements, and for myself personally, I just found that there was a lot of gaps there that was not understood between our community and CSFS. And so actually going through that process really helped us to kind of see, I felt like myself that we were not ready to break away from CSFS, but to really try to restore our relationship, and that's kind of how we worked at coming back and deciding not to. Well, the vote was like the community did not want to move away from the services that CSFS provided. It was made very clear. And I appreciate that, we took that time to listen to our membership, and because that's really important. And I just wanted to relay a message to CSF staff from my Saik'uz staff. One of my staff members texted me late last night, and she told me she couldn't make it here today. All of our staff are in a staff meeting, and just wanted to let you know that the relationship between our health staff and our prevention staff with Kerrisy County has really improved a lot. And so that's why I say if you feel like you're not being heard, get on the phone, call Warner, call Mary, call myself. Mary or Warner have never ever not taken my call, even after hours or whenever there is a crisis in community. They've never not taken my call. And so your voice does matter. I think about Emma. I just missed her here, but I was here this afternoon and heard her speak. And like she talked a bit about being a leader, and it is a very tireless job. And we tend to always forget ourselves. And I think about some of the past leaders who got sick either during their term or right after their term and never recovered from the sickness that they were experiencing and going through. And some of them have passed away. And I want to let Emma know that I take her words to heart. And I want to thank her for being the leader, the powerhouse leader that she is and was in the past, because us women, I learned a lot from her, and I do appreciate that she paved the way for us to be able to be bold enough to run for leadership and to have the strength to carry on the position, because it's not I wouldn't wish the position on anyone really. But you know, we all have our reasons why we want to be leaders in our community, and we're not always, you know, it's not always like, oh, I'm just this, you know, strong, powerful, brave woman. Many times I don't feel that way, but I do feel that right now this is the place where I should be in my community. And I wanted to just quickly mention the healing fires in Prince George that are held on a monthly basis. So in 2022, I think we had our first healing fire in Prince George. Saik'uz hosted a fire in February 2022, and we invited all the chiefs, and Kersey County helped us to organize that event. And so now Kersey County has been helping with the fires on a monthly basis since then. So it's 2 years coming up, and I really encourage the chiefs to get involved, get your community involved, and if every community hosts 1 month, then the pressure is off of some of the communities that are there on a monthly basis. And the pressure is off of Kersey County and their staff, because I've seen where it's a lot of work and it's a lot of pressure on the staff. I do want to thank Kersey County for helping us with those fires, because it really the main point of the fires is to reach out to our members who are living homeless in Prince George, and to reach out to them and you know, to help them to get services that they need. I want to encourage the chiefs to, if you haven't gone on a tour with CSFS in Prince George to see all the services that are provided in Prince George, I encourage you to do so. There's some really, really good work being done. I want to just close with just thanking all the staff from CSFS and all the really, like, you do tireless work, and I want to thank you for all what you've done. You've made this organization. Warner, thank you, because your position is like a very tireless position also, and I appreciate you taking those calls when I do call, if I need you, or if the community needs you, and. This organization is not a perfect organization, but we are working towards perfection. So thank you, Masi.